This is the Hub ZOZZ system. It's modular. You can customize it to the aesthetic of your club, hotel, country club, wherever you're at. It also has tiles. These tiles are also interchangeable. If you purchase it with just a cutting board and you need to use an eco burner to hold your food hot, then you can purchase a tile for that. My favorite part about using the Hub and ZOZZ system is this system can be rolled anywhere on your property. You can use it out in a remote part of the golf course, and you don't need any wires for those times where you need to use induction. You can plug it in, or you can plug into a battery. I feel Eastern has covered all the bases for every application so that you're not left guessing, how can I do this? When you need an option, all you have to do is call your local representative and we'll get you across the finish line.